skills in ICT.
This is Learn Online Uganda, your best preparatory institute.
When you talk about learning is part of growth. If you want it to grow in the right way, let's say it, into maybe computing well. What are you supposed to do? It's not by just assuming you can do it. All right? You need to do it practically. How do you do it practically when you don't have a mentor? How do you do it if you get a problem when you don't have a mentor? All right? So you need to have a mentor. And this one brings me to tell you that we learn online Uganda. We have already so far published several number of courses in ICT, which you can learn from a place of your comfort. You don't need to move looking for us that you want to attend a class. We are going to attend it from the place of your comfort, anytime of your convenience. Maybe you're working class and you don't want to miss your job. Still everything is possible for you. We provide tutoring in person. Maybe you wanted to be studying over the weekend. We provide that one for you. Anytime of your convenience, you will log in and start attending the class by yourself. You get what I'm saying? Yes. For more information, please visit our e-portal, and that is www.learnonlineuganda.org, or you can send us an email, and that is info@learnonlineuganda.org, and that's it. Don't forget that we provide free consultation. Maybe you have some questions that you wanted to be answered in a short time. You can shoot us a direct call, or maybe send us an email. Yes, and that's it. Guess what? Registration is 100% for free. You don't need to pay any money for registrations. But there is also what is called a subscription. So when you register, you can select the course that you wanted to pursue. And that course, you need to pay some money for it. And that's it. Yes. Always don't forget to choose Learn Online Uganda. Only e-portal that is providing practical skills in Uganda.
Yes, so register today. We Learn Online Uganda. For more information, visit our website and call us on the number which is right here on the screen. And we shall get back to you accordingly. And that's it.
Come and empower yourself with the real world practical skills in ICT.
This is Learn Online Uganda, your best
qualification. We talk about learning, but what is it you need to have? You want it to grow in the right way, let's say it, into maybe computing well. What are you supposed to do? It's not by just assuming you can do it. All right? You need to do it practically. How do you do it practically when you don't have a mentor? How do you do it if you get a problem when you don't have a mentor? All right? So you need to have a mentor. And this one brings me to tell you that we learn online Uganda. We have already so far published several number of courses in ICT, which you can learn from a place of your comfort. You don't need to move looking for us that you want to attend a class. We are going to attend it from the place of your comfort, anytime of your convenience. Maybe you're working class and you don't want to miss your job. Still everything is possible for you. We provide tutoring. You need to have a consistency learning. Yes, we are really publishing completely 100% free course with Learn Online Uganda. Alright.
This is Learn Online Uganda.
What could be the name of the course? The name of the course is the fundamental of ICT. Fundamental of ICT is something that is so paramount to everyone who wants to jump in the tech career, right? Yes. So with Learn Online Uganda, we are giving this course as a free offer to every student who will just be our student. No qualification needed. But what you need to have a consistency learning. Reservations. How do you do this thing by yourself? How do you preserve? Alright? Let me show you quickly what you're supposed to do so that you can get yourself these free slots with Learn Online Uganda. Alright? Don't forget that this session is fully sponsored by new information technologies via computing. Alright? Yes. So let me show you quickly right now. when you're here on your browser, just come here and type Learn Online Uganda, right? Learn Online Uganda, and that's it. Then you press enter key, you go direct to the official website. So when you reach here, you're going to see pages of Learn Online Uganda. Just come here and tap on any page from here. Alright, so when you tap on any page from here, you're going to see that this page here has what is Learn Online Uganda. Alright, don't forget that registration is sponsored. You come and tap on this one. So when you tap on that, you are going to quickly go and fill the form. This page here has what I'm saying. This is the registration form. So here you can now just come and select any program that you are interested in. So for now, just come and select others. You shall know that you want the free course. So when you finish all of that, come here and fill all this form, and then guess what? You come and submit your application form. Yes, say submit application, and that's it. And guess what? In that second, you are going to get the instant reply from our support teams who are right there. Respond to any inquiry that is coming from our official platform, that is Learn Online Uganda. Alright? Guess what? You will be given all the guides how you're supposed to get started with everything. So that's it. You know that session has been so impactful to anybody want to be in the community of Learn Online Uganda. I want to tell you that just kindly subscribe, comment, share, so I'll get back to according in case of any inquiry. And that's it. Come and empower yourself with the real-world practical skills in ICT.
This is Learn Online Uganda, your best computer training institute.
When you talk about learning is part of growth. If you want it to grow in the right way, let's say it, into maybe computing world, what are you supposed to do? It's not by just assuming you can do it, alright? You need to do it practically. How do you do it practically when you don't have a mentor? How do you do it if you get a problem when you don't have a mentor? Alright? So you need to have a mentor. And this one brings me to tell you that we Learn Online Uganda. We have already. My name is Sam Blama, a teacher of LLOU, Learn Online Uganda. Yes, I really wanted to encourage you to keep learning, learn new things, because in life, if you want to go far in everything you do, you really have to keep learning. Learn. Are you get what I'm saying? Yes. When you have not got a mentor, it means that person is brainwashing you. Alright? Because every great person has a mentor. You cannot go far without a mentor. Yes? How can you now master everything in our software, like let's say Adobe Photoshop, let's say like Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Premiere Pro, and so forth? How do you do it? Do you think you can just sit down and do it by yourself? It is not easy. Like I said, invented to replace the human efforts. No, it is not supposed to replace us. It's supposed to make our work become very simple. Alright? It's supposed to make our work become very simple. It's not meant to replace us. If someone tell you that AI will replace your job, that person is trying to tell you that learn how to use AI. You get what I'm saying? So if you know that you're a computer scientist and you have been ignoring using AI, you will be the very first persons to cry out to the world that AI has replaced job. That's because you have not mastered using AI. You need to learn how you can use AI. AI is meant to simplify our work. For example, if you have been a full stack system developer, and you know that to build web applications, it can take you months to publish everything. Yes, it can take a lot of time. But now that AI is already there, why do you want to be coding like a front end by yourself? Why do you want to be coding front end? It will take a lot of time, and at the end of the day, you have not achieved anything. You have not achieved anything that can even really make your client happy. Alright? But with AI, if you master it very well, your work is going to become very simple. Alright? And also when you are working with AI, don't let everything be controlled by AI. And you cannot start using AI if you don't have the basics, if you don't have the foundations. You cannot. Are you get what I'm saying? So anyone who will be using AI, that person need to have fundamental skills in that career. For example, if you want to be a full stack system developer, full stack means that you design the front end and the back end development. Alright? So if you don't have the basic skills, for example, like in HTML, CSS, and other languages like JavaScript, jQuery, the back end integration, of course, the gateway, you have the PHP, and then the database MySQL. If you don't have these skills, you can never design web application using AI. Nowadays, people can design the entire CMS, the entire content system, right? Or maybe management system, just in less than 2 months. The person has already finished working on the CMS. But before AI, people can spend like even more than 6 months still working on only one CMS. Even sometimes can take a year. Imagine you're working on the hospital management system. Do you know how many modules are there? We have several number of modules. You can have like 10 modules, but in those modules we have the sub modules that also that still attach link to that particular main module rather.